Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, save open files and close heavyweight apps so Explorer can restart cleanly. Open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+ESC. If Task Manager is unresponsive, use Ctrl+Alt+Delete. Once Task Manager is open, locate Explorer.exe under Processes, right-click and choose End Process. You do this to clear stuck shells and free resources. Make sure to note running app windows. Ending Explorer will remove your taskbar and desktop temporarily, which is normal and expected. Once Explorer.exe is ended, click File, New Task, Run, and type Explorer.exe, then press Enter to restart the shell. You should see the taskbar and desktop return. If Explorer fails to launch, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. If sfc flags errors it cannot fix, run dism restore health or launch system restore to roll back recent changes. You do these steps because corrupted system files are a common cause of persistent Explorer crashes. Once Explorer is back or after repairs, validate stability by browsing files and opening Control Panel. Check Event Viewer application logs for Explorer.exe errors to identify offending modules. If crashes continue, create a new user account to rule out profile corruption, since a bad profile often breaks shell behavior. As a last step, boot into safe mode and uninstall recently installed programs or updates that correlate with the start of problems. If nothing helps, the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.